I can't tell for the echo. Oh boy. All right, let me hear the stream.
Sounds fine to me.
Sometimes foreshadowing is relatively obvious.
Oh, are you watching the stream in the background? Do you have our Twitch open? Watching the stream in the background.
No! 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 No!
You fucking dumbass! This entire fucking time, you didn't mute the goddamn stream! You absolute buffoon! You fucking dingleberry! You absolute cranium empty smooth brained chicken breast headed motherfucker! You had to push one button and you could not do that! You couldn't push one fucking button!
But I have an excuse. I have an excuse. I have an excuse. I have an excuse.
Yeah. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. What's your god tier excuse that your monkey, ape brain, chimpanzee having ass could tell? What's your excuse?
When I'm not the one streaming, I always watch the streams in the background to make sure everything's okay. I'm used to doing that.
No, hold on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Because there's this thing called a mute button, and if you push it, all the audio stops coming out.
I was watching. I'm not used to being the one that streams, and Mary is normally the one that streams, right? So I have to stream.
Welcome to the domestic. I'm fucking clipping this.